Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Now we are going to discuss a case law on Section 125 CRPC. Section 125 CRPC deals with the maintenance. So no doubt you all know that CRPC is a procedural law, but as far as 125 CRPC is concerned, you can take it as a substantive law also, because the court is authorized to grant some maintenance, and if the maintenance is not paid by the so-called respondent, they can send him to jail also. No doubt it is not a preventive step, or it is not a punitive step, but only thing is to get some solace to the victim. That means you can file a maintenance case if a child can file a maintenance case against the father, wife against the husband, children against the father, and please remember, stepfather against the stepson also. That is what is adjudged by the court in the case of Sunil Dev Sharma. They have written Dev as Deb, Sunil DEB, Dev Sharma versus State of West Bengal in CRR, that is Criminal Revision Number 1087 by 2020, decided on 30/8/2022. So the important point held by the Honorable Calcutta High Court is the stepson cannot deny his obligation to maintain his stepfather. This is a new trend, no doubt. So normally we have been seeing cases where the wife who is unable to maintain herself, she files a case of maintenance against the husband. Already I told you, the husband who is able-bodied person, even though he has no fixed profession, then he has to even undergo the physical labor. He has to work as a laborer, and he has to feed the family. He has to maintain the family if he is an able-bodied person. He cannot shirk his responsibility. He cannot take away his responsibility, saying that he cannot pay maintenance because he has no job, or he has lost something in his business and things like that. And likewise, the daughter, unmarried daughter, she can claim compensation from the parents also, right? So the physically disabled children, yes, definitely they can. Now a situation has come, because we are all old people, a situation has come where the parents, the father or mother, can claim maintenance from the sons, from their sons. So who is a stepson? This is important. So you all know that stepson is the son born to another mother. So legally, no doubt, morally he is obliged, but now legally he is also made responsible to maintain the stepfather, because when he is a stepson, the father becomes the stepfather. So already we told you a number of occasions, particularly when the Hindu Marriage Act being discussed, even the debauchers or the son, illegally born son, he is also claimed to be the son of the particular person. Of course, he cannot have the shares in the property. Other rights are there with the so-called stepson, or we can say bastard son also. Right. Here, the main point is, when the father is alive, when he is active, he has maintained the stepson to the fullest possible strength. So when he has become old, that's already Senior Citizens Act is also there. You are well aware of that act. Nowadays, the government also are directed to impose the so-called act by starting the so-called institutions, or just like orphanages, old age homes in every district, one in every district. Of course, in Ungol also, we got them started, but now it is using as a dumping yard or the place of storage by municipal authorities. Sometimes it was used as అనాథాశ్రయ పట్టణంలో ఉన్న నిరుపేదల నిరుగృహం కూడా వాడారు. But anyway, it's not in use. Time will come. So here the important point is the stepson, he has to maintain the stepfather. So he has to give. So if not, he can approach the family court and get the solace by definitely the family court will consider the same basing on this. So if any such cases comes to your notice, please you can cite this Sunil Dev Sharma versus State of West Bengal, wherein it was ordered by the Honorable High Supreme Court that Stepson cannot deny his obligation to maintain his stepfather. Very good judgment. You can cite it if necessary. With this, I am stopping. Thank you very much.